Welcome to BuddyLand ABC. Let's learn and have fun together. Let's learn ABC of body parts. A for arm so strong. Wave your arm and sing along. B for brain so smart. Helps us think and play our part. C for chest right here. Feel your heartbeat loud and clear. D for dental teeth. Brush them clean and fresh beneath. E for eyes we see. Blink and look, 1, 2, 3. F for feet so neat. Tap, tap, tap your little feet. G for gum so pink. Healthy smiles help us think. H for hands we clap. Wave hello and gentle tap. I for index finger high. Point and learn, give it a try. J for jaw we chew. Open, close, just like you. K for knees bend down. Jump up high and turn around. L for legs so strong. Walk and run all day long. M for mouth we say. Talk and sing in a happy way. N for nose we smell. Flowers sweet we know so well. O for outfit we wear. Clothes on body everywhere. P for palms we see. Clap, clap, clap with you and me. Q for quads so string. Help us walk and run along. R for ribs inside. Keep us safe on every side. S for shoulders high. Shrug them up and touch the sky. T for toes we wiggle. Little toes that giggle. U for upper lip near. Smile so bright and nice and clear. V for veins inside. Help blood move from side to side. W for waist so neat. Middle part from head to feet. X for xiphoid small. Tiny bone, we learned it all.
Y for yawn so wide. Sleepy time is coming by.
Z for zygomatic bright. Cheekbones help our smile shine light. Great job, little learners! You learned ABC of body parts today. See you again! Bye-bye!